It is 2026 and this is Kling AI, one of the best AI applications out there today, which you can get or pretty much start using. So I'm gonna show you guys a few new updates that we have added to the application. I've pretty much done a review on this application last year. This year, we're doing a review again and be coming here. So they have the new motion control 3.1 and some other features you can see here. These are some other features, but we take a look at the motion control 3.1. As you can see here, this feature is pretty much you using your AI characters or your AI characters that you have created. Here you can pretty much upload a photo of your AI characters, and you pretty much can use your AI character to do anything, meaning pretty much let it dance, sing, whatever the case is. And as well, you can download the videos from TikTok, Instagram, and pretty much upload it here. So those popular dancing videos that you see on TikTok or Instagram of girls dancing, you can pretty much download those videos, upload it here, and upload your character here, and you pretty much get these results here, or the result of the video that you have uploaded in the motion video section, and your character should go here. And as well, if you do want to enter a prompt, you can go ahead and enter your prompt as it relates to your video, what you may not want to see in it. You can go ahead with that. So very easy to use. So if I do tap on the option up here, you have other options you can use. Tap on the R icon here, you can tap on the AI image option, and as well the avatar. This is pretty much where you can go and create your own AI character to pretty much do the videos that I was explaining. So this section here, you can just tap on the avatar library, or you can use this section here and tap on my avatars, tap on create avatar, and tap on customize avatar. So here you can pretty much describe how you want your avatar to look and so forth, and you're pretty much good to go. So let me just go back real quick. So some other features are missing, like the gender, the age, the skin tone, as well the aspect ratio of the image that's going to be showing your avatar. So that's really pretty much it. Doesn't take much coins to generate the avatar. They do give you, I think it's around 166 credits free of charge once you do sign in with your Google account or email or cases. You do get 166 credits for free. So you do have options to test out some of their features and give it a try. Or if not, you can pretty much use the AI image generator and pretty much go ahead and create your avatar. So that's really pretty much it for that. You have the lip sync feature here, which you pretty much just can see here, upload the video, and here you can select some other options. So nothing much for that. So the video that you want to pretty much use your character with, because characters, once you have created it, your character avatar, I should say, will be in the application. All you have to do is upload the video that you want to use with your character, and it will do the rest. So you have quite a lot of features. You have the explore option here, which you can pretty much scroll and see what other people have created on the platform. Here you can, as well as you can see, you can like, can comment, can share. Some of them you can even recreate what other people have created. I'm gonna scroll and see if you can see some options. Here, this one here, you can pretty much recreate this AI video here. Some of them you won't be able to recreate. However, so most people do not enable that feature on their AI videos. So that's really pretty much it as well. You can follow these AI video creators. You can tap on the option here, tap on the plus icon here, and follow them. So everyone that you're following can go to the follow section, and you will see their latest video over this section here. So very handy option where you can see all of the followers videos in a separate section. So the asset section is pretty much where you see all your generated videos, images, pretty much everything will be in this section here. As well, you can see I've used this application for quite some time. Upload some videos or created some videos using their platform. This is one of the AI videos that I've created. As you can see here, nothing big, just a simple AI video here. But that's really pretty much it. And the MySpace option is pretty much your account. As you can see here, you setting up your profile on the platform, you editing the profile pic, the name, the bio, the background image, and as well you can enable the privacy setting of your account, and as well you can upload your AI videos that you have created on the platform. So the subscription for this application can tap on the upgrade option at the top. Here you can go ahead and pretty much see the required subscription. As you can see, I have standard one-time subscription here, and you have a monthly subscription, a year subscription. As you can see here, pretty much the prices as it relates to the subscription, and as well how much credit you'll be getting per month for the subscription, or if it's monthly, how much credits you'll be getting. So do keep that in mind. As you can see down here, they do tell you how much credits you'll be getting. So that's really pretty much it for the application. And as I said, very powerful AI app that you guys, if you don't know anything about AI, you wanna test out the best AI application, this is the app for you to test out and give it a try. So that's really pretty much it for this video. If I missed anything on, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if we can help you. See you in the next one.